The East End Crossing is a long-planned bridge and stretch of highway that will connect the eastern side of suburban Louisville with southern Indiana just east of Jeffersonville. The centerpiece of the project is a new cable-stayed bridge that will stretch nearly a half-mile across the Ohio River. The East End Bridge will feature two convex diamond towers that will rise above the water 300 feet, the length of a football field. Construction began in July of 2013, and soon after, major progress became visible. Cranes and barges show where the bridge's two towers are being built in the Ohio River. This shows construction occurring this summer. A temporary trestle stretches from each shoreline, giving workers and vehicles access to the site of the towers. Typically, more than 200 workers are on the bridge site daily. Iron workers are on the towers and barges fabricating reinforcing steel cages. Carpenters build the forms around the cages, then workers pour the concrete for the towers. Each vertical section, called a lift, adds about 15 feet of height per week. With the help of crane operators and other workers, the towers continue to rise. In early spring, construction reached the roadway level, where the bridge deck will eventually support traffic. By the end of 2015, the towers should reach their full height. The landscape on each side of the river is very different. On the Indiana side, the bridge lands on the side of a limestone bluff, requiring the highway to cut into the rock. On the Kentucky side, the ground is much lower, requiring construction of an approach bridge extending nearly a half-mile over land. The new bridge will have 4 highway lanes, 2 in each direction, with full-width shoulders. This will allow the bridge to accommodate 6 lanes if needed in the future. Finally, the bridge will feature a 13-foot wide shared use path on the downstream side that will be safely separated from the driving lanes. This will create a unique pedestrian and bicycle experience for this portion of the Ohio River. And that's a look at construction of the East End Bridge.